Hello investors and welcome back to Just Randy Stocks. This is a video that you're gonna want to watch and put BBIG on your watch list because Vinco Ventures or BBIG, a targeted acquisition company, just came into a buy range, I believe, or it's getting close to a buy range. I want you to watch this. They buy digital media companies and technology companies with what they call the BIG strategy, buy, innovate, and grow. And this stock has been a target for a major short squeeze over the last few weeks, I believe, months. So it's actually got the borrow fee, I think, is up to 89% right now as of close of business. So yesterday, there was some filings that came out that made the price drop, and I want to go through briefly what those were and how they were misinterpreted. And I believe tomorrow could possibly show a quick recovery. Maybe there's some fear that still drives this down to a key support level. I believe is going to be $5 tomorrow to mitigate your risk. But just know that this is a risky play. I'm not sure how long it'll go down, but it does look like people are going to get in this play at $5. It took a 28% dip. So here's some of the news that may have driven this price down. And you can see Vinco Ventures, BBIG CEO and CFO resign. But this was actually planned, and it's actually in their investor presentation. So here's the borrow fee of closing out end of day yesterday, 89%. So in here on the Vinco Ventures October 6, 2021 slides, you can see there's two presentations, and I've got those pulled up. I want you to see this incoming team. It says incoming, current incoming, and these names are also listed in this article. So they had a heads up since October 6th. The news came out on October 19th. I think this title spooked some people, and also the delay of this Form 8K, just switching the dates that were listed. Just want to go over their financials, and I've got this in quarterly buckets through 2019 through current, most recent quarter reported, and you can see the revenue has not been that strong. And if you go over to the cash flow statement, you can see pretty bad losses for net income on the latest quarter. So you can kind of understand why this has been shorted. And, they've got a pretty decent looking balance sheet, but, revenues aren't that strong. And, of course, the cash flow statement shows a pretty bad negative balance. I believe this is one of those momentum plays that does have squeeze potential still. I believe that this is going to be a big recovery stock. You might want to take advantage of it. So just lastly, I'll just cover these quick notes, and then I want to close you out with a video that'll help explain this just a little bit better. So Cryptide is where these two people that basically stepped down. So in here, Vinco Ventures CEO, CFO resigned, but they resigned to go over to this other portion of the company. So this was all planned out in the investor presentation. That's basically what I understand from doing this research. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments below. And then today's 8K, and this is a summary of basically the filings that posted. On October 6th of 2021, the company filed a current report on Form 8K announcing that the record date for the ticker symbol of Cryptide, which is this portfolio here for the NFT play, spin-off dividend had changed to October 22nd, and then they changed that date to October 25th. And the detailed dividend might be expected to be announced around next Monday. So a positive outcome. I believe that could be another catalyst, as we get more clarity and people start to understand what's actually happening.
Well, so, there's a lot of stuff going on with some of these NFT plays, and there's a lot of stuff going on with media plays or short-form video websites, companies like TikTok. And Vinco Ventures is interesting because it's sort of a combination. In a nutshell, it's basically a consumer products marketing holding company that uses this big buy, innovate, and grow strategy. So it's a holding company that has basically two main value propositions. One is a short-form video app called Lemotif, which is supposed to be a streaming media rival to TikTok, and the second one is basically limited release NFTs in the music business. So it's an NFT play. It's also like I said, a social media and short form video play like a TikTok, and it has become sort of a mean short stock. The short float on the stock is about 27%. It has been increasing. It's got low price. Its market cap is around 478 million. And I think there's a reason why it's been shorted. If you take a look at its sales growth, it's down about 47% year over year. It does have about 5 million in cash, but its revenues last year were only about 2.6 million and losing about 4 times that amount with about 10 million in losses. So fundamentally, it's a risky company from just a financial statement analysis standpoint, but it has been highly shorted, and there has been some spin associated with some of these NFT plays.
Okay.
And that's why I think it's gone through the moon. It was up, I think, 80% or so on Friday, up another 60% today at one point in time. It did fall near the close.